this is Sheikh Amir again, and I'm back with another video on flower keeping. And today's topic is for the one like you who is curious about finding out gender of your flower. Thanks for tuning in and hope this video serves its purpose. Before we start, you should know that this channel has a Facebook group with same name and we are celebrating our 14,000 members soon. Please join in and be a part of the party. How to tell if your flower is male or a female? If you want to know whether your flower is a male or female, there are some basic methods to follow. Identifying the gender can be an easy task for experts, but for people who are just starting the hobby, it may be a difficult job. Here are some techniques on how you can classify the gender of your flower fish. Even though a flower is a hybrid fish, which means they are a part of experiments, there are several signs that can tell whether your flower is male or female. In the early years of hybridization, it was almost impossible to detect gender of this fish because it was still in early stage of development. As years go by, breeders discovered certain procedures to identify gender of flower. There is a term sellers usually use that buying a fry aka baby flower is gamble for gender because male and female looks exactly same in the younger stage of growth. It is for hobbyists to wait until they reach the size of 4 to 5 inch. After that you can try identifying the gender. By this time their characteristics are fully developed. Method 1. It can be difficult to tell whether it is a male or a female flower, but you can start by looking at the shape of vent. As you can see, a male flower fish will have a vent of V shape while a female has a U shape. In other words, a male organ is much thinner and pointier while a female is in rounded shape. Method 2. Flowerons are known to have a large hump on the top of head. Each group of floweron has their own unique hump size. The male fish has a bigger hump unlike the female that only grows in size and rarely have hump. We should also remember that these methods differ from fish to fish as some males cannot grow head due to genetic limitations. Method 3. Body shape. While the male grows bigger and bulkier, female tend to stay thinner, smaller in size and narrow face with small fins. Method 4. Females will have a dot on upper portion of dorsal fin. This method is not 100% accurate because some flower strains may have flower line or some may don't have flower or some may even have dual flower line, which makes it difficult to determine. That's it for today's video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and link to our Facebook page in description below. You can message us at any time for any assistance regarding your flower. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.